Okay, let's go to the back side of the machine. You can see in WEIYA, we always select the famous and stable components. For example, we use the Siemens model, first pump from America, and Rechler valve for Germany. So we always select stable component to keep our machine can use it for many years without any quality problems. So this machine is 6+1 axis. So the system can control the X axis, Y axis, and the two Z1 and Z2 stop finger axis. Also, because our customer is Canadian customer, so they only have 600 watt power. So, but our standard power for the machine is 318 watts. So we added this transformer to let our machine, our customer can use this machine. So it's normally in the Canada market. So if you also have this customer requirements, please let us know and we can do the customer design for your need and for your market. So yeah, this is our machine, and if you have any interesting about our machine and press brake machine, shearing machine, and laser cutting machine, please leave send us message or leave your comment on this video. Thanks for your time and see you next time.